Hi there artisans, welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. So today I'm gonna show you how to use the drawing gum into your painting, and I'm gonna paint as usual watercolor, but this time we're gonna use this in my motif here. So basically what you will need is an old brush. I actually didn't know what I did with this brush. It's kind of broken, but that's fine because that's what actually you need, old brushes. And always prepare a water as well, because after you use the brush into the drawing gum you have to wash it directly. So we're just gonna apply them, and this is very strong in odor if you are sensitive, so you have to check first if you have allergic reactions, and please don't put it close to children. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it this way, and I'm gonna apply it right to the circle. The smell is actually like a rubber. Of course it's a drawing gum, so of course it would smell like a rubber. Okay, so what basically will happen is when you paint with this drawing gum, all the water or the paint will actually not go into the paper, and it will pass this circle, which is actually what we want to happen when we paint. Now you can see that it actually dries very fast. I actually hate the smell of this. This is something that I don't like, the smell, but I like the results of it. So sometimes it's not enjoyable to use some chemicals, but necessary depending on what you want to achieve in your painting. Alright, so I've been used in painting circles, so that's why my hand gestures are already used to that. Okay, now for this we're just gonna have to roll like so. And over there, small circle as well. Okay, and then probably I'll just gonna add some small circles here as well. It's just cool to add something else, you know. Like so. Now I have to wash that directly. So this is what happens once you wash it directly. It removes the gum. There you go. It's very sticky. And we're just gonna have to wait that the watercolor or that the gum will dry. Put it aside and we'll wait. Alright, so I have here a dry watercolor aquarelle or aqua drop. So I've been using these kinds of aqua drop, and they are easy to use actually. You can paint with them directly, or you can dilute them with water, and it doesn't matter if they are dry because you can always mix water in them. So I have a silicone cup, just gonna mix it like so. Okay, probably I'll need big brush. Maybe a little bit more water. Now I noticed that it's not the way I want it to be, so I have to mix more of the yellow because I want this kind of orange something color with a little bit of white probably, and then kind of darken that a bit like so with black. All right, now we're ready. We'll just have to paint it over here, and as you can see, it passes the circles that we have applied the drawing gum into. So now the drawing gum is dry, and we're just gonna have to easily rub off the gum with your finger, just like that. Can be a little bit stiff sometimes, but that's okay. So there you go. So this is how the drawing gum is used. Now you know how to use yours. So this is the drawing gum that I'm using. Find it in any stores that sells drawing materials. So see you again on the next art.